how to add a PayPal button to Shopify. So for this, I will actually use this website, elfsite.com. It's completely legitimate. You just want to click on sign up free here, and you can even log in with Google. So I'll just use one of my accounts here, and I'll show you how we can set this up. It's going to look like this, and we want to click on add new app. And from this list, from the apps catalog, we just want to search for PayPal, and you will see this PayPal button. Once we click on it, then it will show us some different templates. So we have PayPal subscription, checkout, and donation. I will do donation here and continue with this template. Now here it will ask us for the seller PayPal email. We want to go and make sure that our PayPal is connected. So I've just clicked on settings, payments, and right here I will see my PayPal, and then I'll just refresh this because I just connected it. So I'm sorry for this, but payments, and as you can see, it's active. I'll just click on my PayPal, and this is the email address. Now you need a PayPal business email. So right here, I'll just paste this seller PayPal email. And again, we can choose checkout, donation, subscription. And if we want to redirect to any other URL, then we will click on there. But basically, after we have added the PayPal email, we will click on publish, and it will ask us for a subscription type, but don't worry, we can choose free. So I'll just select this for free, and now it will generate some code for us. So we want to copy this code. We're going to go back to Shopify, and here we will go to online store, themes, and then scroll down until you see customize. So just click on customize, and here we will add a section. Now we will choose custom liquid, then click on the custom liquid itself, and we will paste this code. So after we have pasted the code, then we can click on save, change is saved, and now we should have a PayPal button added to our Shopify store, as you can see right here. And if people click on it, then it will redirect them to donate. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.